Hello dear friends, today also we can discuss some important previous and important multiple choice questions for coming nursing examinations. So we will see in details some explanation also we can discuss. So exact you can study up to 50 points from this video. So every video is important. Please watch our old video also. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാ വീഡിയോയും വളരെ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ദിവസവും വാച്ച് ചെയ്യുക. കുറച്ച് ടഫായിട്ടുള്ള പോർഷൻസ്, തിയറി പോർഷൻസ് എക്സാമിനേഷൻ അടുക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത് നമുക്ക് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാം. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്കിപ്പോൾ വളരെ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള കുറച്ച് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിലേക്ക് പോകാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, റിഗാർഡിംഗ് ലങ് വോളിയംസ് ഇൻ ആൻ അഡൽട്ട് all are true except options. Total lung capacity is 6 liters. Inspiratory reserve volume is 3 liters. Tidal volume is 500 ml. Expiratory reserve volume is 3 liters. Regarding lung volume in an adult, all are true except this question. We need to know all volume, normal volumes in our lungs. One option is incorrect. That is, expiratory reserve volume is 3 liters. That is incorrect. Expiratory reserve volume is normal. In case of male adult, 1.1 liter. Male adult expiratory reserve volume normal 1.1 liter and female adult 800 ml. But normal ഏതാണ്? 800 ml expiratory reserve volume in case of female. Male 1.1 liter. Total lung capacity means 6 liters on a normal. What is total lung capacity? That is the maximum amount capacity of our lungs after inspiration. After a forceful expiration, how much air we can hold in our lungs? That is in total lung capacity. How much air I can hold my lungs? That is my total lung capacity. I think you understood. We can move to the second question. The adverse effect of ultraviolet rays include all except options: psoriasis, premature aging of skin, non-melanoma skin cancers, cataract. The adverse effect of ultraviolet rays include all except. എല്ലാം അഡ്വേഴ്സ് ഇഫക്റ്റ് ആണ് അൾട്രാവയലറ്റ് റേസിന്റെ ഒന്നൊഴികെ. ആ ഒന്നാണ് സോറിയാസിസ്. സോറിയാസിസ് is an autoimmune disorder. Autoimmune disorder ആണ് psoriasis. That means our own immune system attack our own organs or tissues or skins or any body area. So here immune system attacks our own skin. What will happen? Our skin become more reddish, itchy, scaly lesion will be there. So silvery scale seen in psoriasis. It is an autoimmune disorder. Don't forget. We can move to the third question. Saturday night palsy is options: ulnar nerve palsy, radial nerve palsy, axillary nerve palsy, median nerve palsy. What is Saturday night palsy? Correct answer is radial nerve palsy. Saturday night palsy is radial nerve palsy. Saturday night palsy. So what will happen in Saturday? All the days the persons are working, and Saturday, Sunday is holiday because they will drink and they will lie down in their arm over the back. Then it will give pressure over the plexus area. ഇങ്ങനെ കൈ ഇങ്ങനെ പുറകെ വെച്ചുകൊണ്ട് കടന്നുറങ്ങും. That will injure the radial nerve. So what will happen? Radial nerve palsy will happen. So that is radial nerve palsy. Next question. ASIA grading is used in options: traumatic brain injury, traumatic spinal cord injury, traumatic hip injury, traumatic shoulder injury. ASIA grading is used in traumatic spinal cord injury. ASIA means American Spinal Cord Injury Association. ASIA American Spinal Injury Association. That is used in traumatic spinal cord injury. Next question. The anti-tubercular drug associated with optic neuritis is option rifampicin, pyrazinamide, ethambutol, isoniazid. The anti-tubercular drug associated with optic neuritis is, correct answer is ethambutol. So ethambutol, that will cause optic neuritis. Optic neuritis means inflammation of the optic nerve. Optic nerve is the nerve which transforms visual information from our eye to the brain. From our eye to the brain, optic nerve. So inflammation of the optic nerve, that will lead to optic neuritis after ingesting a long time ethambutol medication. Next question. Effective vaccine is available against all the following diseases except option Cazeneur forest disease, yellow fever, leishmaniasis, typhoid fever. Effective vaccine is available against all the following diseases except, correct answer is leishmaniasis. Leishmaniasis, there is no vaccines currently available. Leishmaniasis is a parasite infestation. Leishmaniasis parasite infestation disease spreaded by sandfly. Leishmaniasis, there is no vaccines. And Cazeneur forest disease, is other name is monkey fever. Monkey fever, other name is Cazeneur forest disease. And yellow fever, typhoid fever, everything will have vaccine. But leishmaniasis, there is no current vaccines. Next question. Aedes mosquitoes transmit all of the following diseases except options yellow fever, Rift Valley fever, chikungunya fever, West Nile fever. Aedes mosquitoes transmit all of the following diseases except, correct answer is West Nile fever. West Nile fever is caused by Culex mosquitoes. Culex mosquitoes spread West Nile fever. The main problem is fever. Severe fever will be there, and yellow fever, Rift Valley fever, and chikungunya spreaded by Aedes aegypti mosquitoes. Next question. The sign of esophageal atresia. Options regurgitation of first and all subsequent feeds, continuous pouring of saliva from mouth, attaches of coughing and cyanosis, presence of hydramnios. The sign of esophageal atresia, correct answer is continuous pouring of saliva from mouth. What will happen in esophageal atresia? There will be some structural abnormalities in esophagus, especially newborn babies. There will be sometimes there will be no opening in esophagus. So automatically the saliva will come out. So that is the main sign of esophageal atresia. It is a newborn problem, congenital abnormality. Next question. Sunburst periosteal reaction is most commonly seen in options osteosarcoma, chondrosarcoma, aneurysmal bone cyst, Ewing sarcoma. Sunburst periosteal reaction is most commonly seen in osteosarcoma. Osteosarcoma is a bone cancer. When the lesion is grow too fast in bone, lesion in the bone grow too fast. When we take an X-ray or EC or CT scan or MRI, there will be, we can see sunburst appearance. Like this picture you can see. It's like a sunburst. So it's like a sun. So that is seen in osteosarcoma when the lesion is grow too fast. Next question. Test for blood in urine is options Benedict test, Benzidine test, Rothera test, Hayes test. Test for blood in urine is, correct answer is Benzidine test. Test for blood in urine is Benzidine test. What is Benedict test? Benedict test to detect presence of sugar in urine, reducing sugar in urine. Then Rothera test detect presence of ketone bodies in urine. Rothera test detects presence of ketone bodies in urine. Hayes test detect presence of bile salts in urine. Hayes test detect presence of bile salts in urine. I am telling 2 times, 3 times because you can easily remember these points for your examination. കണ്ടിന്യൂസ് ആയിട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ പറയുന്നതുകൊണ്ട് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അത് എക്സാമിന് പെട്ടെന്ന് ക്യാച്ച് ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയും. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, സ്മോളർ ആൻഡ് ഫാസ്റ്റർ ബ്രെയിൻ വേവ്സ് ഇൻഡിക്കേറ്റിംഗ് മെന്റൽ ആക്ടിവിറ്റി. ഓപ്ഷൻസ് ബീറ്റ, ആൽഫ, തീറ്റ, ഡെൽറ്റ. Smaller and faster brain waves indicating mental activity. That is beta. When we alert, when we think or judgment or solution solving a problem, I am talking to you, I am taking class, my brain wave is in beta waves. Beta സ്റ്റേജിലാണ് എൻ്റെ ബ്രെയിൻ വേവ് ഇപ്പോൾ ഉള്ളത് because I am talking to you. And alpha wave, our mental activity is not much focused. അത്ര ഫോക്കസ് അല്ല. ഇത് നമ്മളൊരു പാട്ട് കേൾക്കുകയാണ്, ഒരു കഥ കേൾക്കുകയാണ്, നമ്മൾ ജസ്റ്റ് കേട്ടുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് അവർ ബ്രെയിൻ വേവ്സ് മേ ബി ഇൻ ആൽഫ സ്റ്റേജ്. ബട്ട് ഇൻ delta stage there will be deep relaxation. If you are doing a meditation, you are relaxed more and more, in your brain wave will be in delta wave. Then theta wave means you are in sleep. When you are sleeping, our brain wave will be in theta mode. Don't forget. So next question, example of odd and eccentric behavior. Options schizoid, borderline, avoidant, histrionic. Example of odd and eccentric behavior. Correct answer is schizoid, odd and eccentric behavior, and very less socialization. എല്ലാത്തിൻ്റെയും I will tell you 1 points with each personality disorder. Schizoid means odd, eccentric, and less socialization. Borderline means fear of abandonment. ഒറ്റപ്പെട്ടു പോവോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ വിട്ടു പോവോ എന്നുള്ള പേടി. Then avoidant means fear of rejection. Avoidant means fear of rejection. Histrionic means over eccentric and shows attention seeking behavior and talks dramatically with strong opinions. So main problem is attention seeking behavior. So that's all about today's video. I think you understood 12 question answers and related points. So please share this video to your friends, and please consider subscribe our channel. And if you like this video, please give me a like. Don't forget to share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.